Hi friends, in this video I will show you how to create a WhatsApp AI agent for WooCommerce with automated order management, payment integration and AI-powered customer support using n8n. Completely no coding required, and the best part is you can use your existing WhatsApp number, no cloud API needed. So let's get started. Okay friends, this is the website which we are created. When a customer visit and click on WhatsApp, a pre-made template will be available as on WhatsApp as you are seeing in the video like this. So when a customer click on that, they will get the product details, stock information, price information, etc. So to order they can reply like this. So they can order the product with the product ID and quantity. Once the customer send that order product like this, they will get the address information. They can see the order created and all the information they will be getting. So they can check all these things and they can enter their address as you are seeing in the video. Just copy the address. The customer is adding their address and they will send it to us on WhatsApp. So once they send the address to us, we can send the payment link, so we can see the order is confirmed and all the details, and they will get a payment link. Once the customer click on the payment link, and they can complete the payment. After that, we can be redirected to any thank you page, etc. Also the customer can track their order. They can enter their order ID and they can see their order status here, and they can also inquire general inquiries like refund policy, return policy, etc. And we are set up an AI agent for that. So all these things can be done without any coding experience. So on the WooCommerce page, the admin can see the order details and you can manage your order details here. After that, we can go to n8n and we can check how we can create this. So sign in on your n8n account and create a workflow. Click on the create workflow section, and a free pre-made template workflow is available on our website. You can download it for free. So go to our website, and the link I will give in the description box, so you can just download the WhatsApp n8n template. You can just freely download from our website. Click on the template and you can unzip the file and you can import into your n8n workflow. So just unzip the file. After that, go to your n8n account and just import the workflow. You can import the workflow. Once it is imported, you can click on the tidy up option and you can just zoom in, or you can view all the nodes. So just zoom in, and now you need some WooCommerce credentials. Go to the advanced settings of your WooCommerce, click on REST API section, and you can create a API key on the WooCommerce. Click on add key and you can add the description and the permission read and write. Once the key is generated, you can copy the consumer key and consumer secret on your WooCommerce node. On the create node, you can see here, just copy and paste the consumer key and consumer secret. Copy it and paste it on your workflow, and you can also add your domain name here. Copy your website address and copy it, and you can paste it on the WooCommerce section. Here you can just replace it. Just simply replace the placeholder, that's it. After that, you can copy this consumer key and consumer secret because we need to edit some URLs. So you can just copy and paste it on a notepad and just open other nodes like this. You can fetch product by URL, copy all the URL format from there and paste it on the notepad section. Simply paste it and replace with the original consumer key and consumer secret to the URL. You can simply copy and paste it here. Paste the consumer key and consumer secret, replace with the placeholder, right? Copy it and paste it. And you can also change the URL. Copy the URL and paste it there. And now you can copy the entire URL here. Copy it and paste it on the node. Just replace the node URL section. Okay, and now click on save, and you can edit all the nodes like this. Okay, click on save and you can just edit next node like this. You can copy it and you can just replace it. You can just open it and you can replace it like this. You can just add all the URLs. You can just copy and paste the URL on that node, and you can also edit all the nodes related to the orders like this. And now click on the Razorpay node and click on the create credential section, and you can just add a credentials. Go to your Razorpay account, click on the API section, and you can just generate the API. You can add the key ID and key secret on the node. You can just copy and paste the node to the node. Okay, click on save and go back, and you can just edit the credentials name there. Click on that pen icon and click on credentials name. You can add any name there. This is for future reference. Okay, click on save and you can go back to your canvas and you can add an OpenAI API key there. Simply open the OpenAI API key and you can just connect to your OpenAI account. If you want, you can just add a new credentials. Go to OpenAI platform, click on the settings option, and there you can see the API keys. Click on the API keys and click on create an API key. There you can generate a new API key. Simply give a name for your API key and use the project default project and create a new API key, and you can paste that API key on your n8n workflow and click on save and go back to your workflow. And this is the final and important step. Open the send message node and go to this website api.whatsapp.com and get an account there. Click on the subscription section and you can sign up for a free plan. Click on get started and you can just complete these options and you can start your free trial, and click on manage instances section, add instances. You can give an instance name and you can connect your WhatsApp number to this website api.whatsapp.com, and you can just add iPhone also like this. Once you connected that, you can connect to your iPhone like this. Okay guys, after that you can copy the API token. You can go to the API access section and click on the API token, and you can simply paste the token here on the node. And now go to the instance section and you can copy the instance ID. Click on the instance section, manage instances, and you can copy the instance ID here. Just paste the instance ID here. Now go back to your canvas, click on save. Now go to the first node as you are seeing in the video. Just click on the webhook URL, production URL, just copy that and make sure to paste it on your instances. Click on save. This is the very important. Okay. After that, go back to your canvas and you can activate the workflow. To install a WhatsApp widget on your website, you can go to your WhatsApp plugin settings and search for click to chat, and you can install this plugin. Just activate the plugin and go to the plugin settings, and here you can customize all your settings. You can add your WhatsApp number there, and you can just add the pre-filled message. You can see here all the pre-filled message. You can use these placeholders and you can arrange the pre-filled message accordingly. You can just copy and paste it and edit all these things. You can change the URL structure, display settings, and all these settings you can customize it, and this is totally free. And after that, click on save changes. That's it. So this is the mobile view of our automation. When a customer is visiting our website, they can see all the product here, and if he click on that particular product, they can purchase directly from our website or through the WhatsApp. Click on the WhatsApp section and the message will be sent to the customer like this, so to the admin, and they can just reply like this, and all things they can order here. Okay guys, thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel.